Hi, just going to show you how to make these little screencast videos. So there's two programs you could use. You could use what's called Screencastify, which is okay. It's really, really simple, but it only gives you a 5-minute limit. If you want to go longer than that, you can use this program called ActivePresenter 8, which you have to download, and it looks kind of like this. It allows you to edit videos. Basically, if you were going to record yourself doing a video, you would first, I'll clear this out and I'll record my screen. And it's going to bring me to this box, which is basically setting all the settings. I'm going to click full screen. My video is not actually working right now because I'm using my video for a different purpose. And so I always click OK. It just resizes the project automatically for you. And you film yourself talking, and it tracks all the different programs you go to, blah, 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 blah. And then you can basically stop yourself by clicking Control and End. And it couldn't record because, like I said, I was using the webcam to show you this video. Click OK, and then you end up with a video, as you can see. You film yourself talking. There you go. And then now to use this video, you can save it usually using the normal methods, but you're going to want to really probably export it to YouTube where it can be accessed more readily, which you just click here and you fill this out, sign into your account, and it will automatically publish to YouTube. It's super easy. I highly recommend it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, LassardJ at springfieldpublicschools.com. All right. Thank you.